Hey there guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we have another video on PopSockets for you. So today's video on PopSockets, we're going to be showing you guys how to switch the tops of your PopSockets between phones. So that way you don't have to take the actual adhesive part off and you can just switch the top without making the adhesive less sticky. So now these are on the older styles, as PopSocket does have some swappable tops that you can do this a little easier now, and they're built to be like that, but this is for the older style if you want to still switch those out. So you see we have one off already. I'm going to show you how to take this one off, and we'll show you how to switch them. It's very simple. Or you can use a safety pin or a paper clip or something that allows you to get in here, and what you're going to do is you can see the black and the white, and that's where the separation is, and you're just going to stick your safety pin in there and kind of rotate it and go downwards. And this is a rubber, so you're just going to kind of pop this off over this little pin here. Oh, I didn't get it that time, so I wasn't looking. I was looking at the camera and not at the actual phone. But as you can see, we've got the safety pin in there, and just kind of rotate it over so you pop that out. And then once you have one out, you can basically do the rest by hand. Just kind of separate that, just push it off of there, and then once two are out, it's super easy. Just slide it out, just like so. So now you have your old design here and your PopSocket cone and base left on the phone. Now from here, you're going to take your new design that you want to put on, and all you're going to do is find one of the little holes and find one of the four tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're just going to slide that into there, just like so, and then go around and slide that one in, go around and slide that one in, and just pop that last baby in there and give it a little wiggle. Make sure all the tabs are secured in their proper holes, and you are good to go. And that, guys, is how you switch a PopSocket top without buying the PopSocket swappable tops. Hope this is a good life hack for you guys. If this helped you out, please make sure you slap that thumbs up button. It helps me out much more than you guys even know. If you're interested, go ahead and click my logo on screen now to subscribe to the channel. If you hit the bell notification icon, you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Over to the right is some other relevant PopSocket content if you wish to check that out. That also helps support the channel and helps me grow. Thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you in the next video. Peace out.